Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 12th question in exercise 4.2. Show that one root of the equation given by determinant x plus a, b, c, b x plus c a and c a x plus b is equal to 0 is minus of a plus b plus c. Now let's start with solving this determinant using row or column transformation. The first transformation that I'm going to play is C1 is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So if I make this, all of this will become part of the first column. So the first column will get transformed as x plus a plus b plus c. Here there will be c, b and c. Here b x plus b plus a plus c, again x plus c a. Here it will become x plus a plus b plus c. There is a and a x plus b. Now that this transformation is done, we see that all elements in this first column are the same. So I can take it outside. So this becomes x plus a plus b plus c into determinant of, here I am placing the first columns as 1, here it is b x plus c a x plus b. Now if you see, whatever solutions are there, if I have to show this equation to be equal to 0, one of the solution is x plus a plus b plus c. So this means x will be equal to minus of a plus b plus c. So that is what we had to prove, hence proved. So when I have to equate these values, please remember when I write the product of two values, either this is 0 or this is 0. So when we equate x plus a plus b plus c to 0, we are going to get the value of x as minus of a plus b plus c, and that's what we need, hence proved. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 13th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.